What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are working on the RX-7, as you guys can tell from the title of this video. What are we working on today? Well, we are kind of taking a couple of steps backwards, which is normally how I do things, I guess. But I did get the seats here. There's another one over here. I also got the drive shaft and some other things that we're going to be doing today. But before I can do that, I need to introduce you guys to the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of today's video is Harry's. Now, most of you guys do know, but if you don't know, I've been using Harry's for almost 5 years. And the reason why I use them is because they have such an awesome product and I love their stuff. Every single time I shave with them, I get a close, comfortable shave and it leaves my skin feeling very smooth afterwards, all at a super affordable price. And they also have German engineered blades that are very sharp and they have 100% satisfaction on them. So if you do have an issue with them, they will take care of it. That's what I'm gonna be offering you guys today too as well. They have the $3 bundle set. I'll show you guys what's in there in just a second, but it's super easy. Just go to harrys.com/meticulous, link down in the description. Go get it all set up. It's $3 for this trial set. That's such a great deal. Y'all don't sleep on that. And then you can get it set up for $2 refills. However you want, go check it out. Let me show you guys what comes in the bundle pack. This is what you can expect to get with your bundle kit. It comes with the 5-blade razor, the weighted handle, a blade cover, and their foaming shave gel. All this at an affordable price of $3 with $2 refills. So like I showed you guys in the kit, it's got their nice foaming shave gel, their nice 5-blade razor, and there you go. Nice and smooth, nice clean shave. I probably missed some spots because I can't see. But go check it out. Go support your boy. harrys.com/meticulous. You already guys know the deal. Link in the description. You guys already know. Thank you, Harry's, for sponsoring this video. Let's get started with working on the RX-7. So what are we actually up to today in this video? Like I told you guys earlier, we're going to be going backwards a little bit. Now, if you go back, I think it's been well over a year now since I first did this cage. If you guys remember, this was my first cage I've ever built. Since then, I have built, I don't even know, maybe 20, if not more. I don't even know. It's been a lot, and I have gotten a lot better at it. So what that means is I would have been able to fit these bars a whole lot better. So if you can see right here, there's a big gap right here. There's a big one there, and then on the other side, it's even bigger. So what I want to do, which technically you probably should not do, but this is my own car and this is my own life, and I'm comfortable doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cut all the bars from here over up inside the up top piece, and then also right here off. So I'm going to be redoing the inner funny car hoop and then also the top X braces. Now I'm going to be able to do that because I can still get to everything pretty good. Some of these are going to suck, but I can put a metal plate up there and get to all the welds, and if not, I can just double gusset it and put some nice gussets on them. So I should be able to do that no problem. So if you're wondering why I need to do that, it's because I kind of had a change of plans, I guess, like I normally do and how most people do. So at first I was just going to run regular Kirkis in this because they were cheap. They're like $300 for a seat or like $250 for a seat. And I was going to put Kirkis in it. Well, I know for a fact I'm going to drive this thing on the street, and having the bars on the street scares me. So I got these head containment seats and I spent a little bit more money on them just so that way it is a little bit safer. Now the issue with that is these are the seats I got. As you can see, they have these nice padded head containment seats. So in theory, what should happen is my head hits this, or whoever is in the passenger seat, their head will hit this instead of hitting the bar or the side of the car, which I'd rather hit this than a bar. So, but the issues with these now is that they are pretty big. They are a hell of a lot bigger than the Kirkis, and so that means they don't fit right in there. And then also, that's not the main reason why. I wanted to redo it anyways, just because it looks weird, and it's like a showcase of my work, right? And now I know I can do a way better job. So that is the plans for today. We are going to be cutting out the bars and then trying to see what we need to do for our seat mounts. I ordered a set of like seat mounts that came with those. I just ordered one because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use them. If I can use them, I'm going to order another set for the other side. And then also we need to get the drive shaft in because I got it made. We got our nice aluminum drive shaft made. Just need to put it in. Here's a better angle of that gap I was talking about. You see how low this X brace bar is? Well, now with the skills I have, I can put bends in those up and make them touch the top part of the car. So yeah, that is part of the reason why I want to redo it.
Depot on the beat.
Talk about annoying to cut all that out. Like the Sawzall tries to grab all weird because like as the bars are getting welded in, I'm sure it creates like some type of weird pressure. So it like tries to rip the blade out and just does dumb stuff. But I didn't cut up the interior as bad as I thought I was going to. Now we got that done, we got to go back and clean up all the little tubes and try to make them as flush as we can as possible without taking away material from the tubes that I'm leaving in there, obviously. So how we're going to do that is using the flap wheel, of course, and then this little, I don't even know what this is air sander thing. Got from Astro Tools at Astro Tools. Check them out. This thing is pretty cool. Works really good for these tube ends. So yeah, I am going to be getting to work. Got to clean up all of this stuff. And yeah, going to be all kinds of fun. I'm happy though. Get rid of those ugly looking bars that were unnecessary. Talk about a mess. I'm gonna have to like, there's so much grinding dust just everywhere. Like, look at all that. But I did get it all cleaned up. Now the reason why you're technically not supposed to be allowed to do this is because technically you're like grinding away some of the material. And so like if they check the wall thickness, it could be less than say 083 or whatever it's supposed to be. I try to be really light on it, and this is actually like a, I think I got an 80 grit flap wheel, so hopefully it didn't take too much off, and I was being really nice with it. So, and I normally try to like leave a little bit, you know, like right here you can still see some of the tube, not grind it off too much. So yeah, I did get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this stuff out, set the seats in here, kind of see what we're looking like and how much room we got. Hopefully they both fit. I didn't take any dimensions, so I just ordered them. Hopefully they fit. We'll see here in just a second. Went ahead, put the driver's seat in there, and it's exactly what I had a feeling was going to happen. Is what's going on is this thing needs to be bent out more. Now I have more room to come out for the further towards the door. It's just I'm gonna have to cut this bar out and remake it as well. It's not a big deal, but I was hoping that I could have saved it because it saves me time. It's not a big deal. With my skills now, I can easily put two bends in it and get it super close to the window and then be able to fit that seat in there. It kind of sucks just because like the car, I mean, it doesn't suck. It's cool that the car is so small and so light and tiny, but it's hard to fit things in it, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the passenger seat, set it in there, and kind of see if like the head containment parts are gonna hit each other, because I'm also gonna have to make the outer funny car hoop, or like the inner, technically would be the inner funny car hoop as well with the passenger seat there. So I'm hoping I have enough room. I'm gonna set it in there and see. So what I need to do is just remove these old seat mounts, and it's my most fun thing that I love to do. It's drilling spot weld out, so I gotta take this one all the way off, and then also this one, and that will allow the seat to sit more flat in here, and hopefully give us the room that I'm looking for. I'm hoping so. Take those out really quick and we'll see how the seats fit. Ah, damn it. See? That's why I hate the air hammer sometimes. Just ripped a big hole in the floor. The seat definitely fits better, but the issues I'm having is like this spot right here. You can see where I was trying to beat on it to see if I could flatten it enough. It just like the seat sits all the way over here, so it sits super high. So I'm gonna have to cut like this little section out and then just like resheet metal it in like more flat and then straight up right here in this area. And then also with this area too, I'll just probably cut this out and then like resheet metal it in. After all that, these seats should actually fit, which will be nice, because I was honestly thinking like, at this point, I wonder if I could have just made my Kirkies into some head containment, like I just welded some head containment pieces onto the Kirkies, and obviously put some padding on them and stuff. But anyways, that was a random thought I had. For now, I don't have the energy to cut the floor up today, and I don't really feel like messing with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the drive shaft in, and then Gonna see what else we have and then probably call it for this video. So let's see, hopefully this Driveshaft fits and I measured it correctly. See if I can remember how to get this thing in here. Well, that was an ordeal, but I got it in, so yeah, it looks like it fits actually pretty good. At first I thought it was gonna be too long, but once I got it bottomed out in the axle side, it looks like it fits good, so good to go. That's what we're gonna be in the video. I have been super busy. As you guys saw with this 2000, I have a whole bunch of more work coming in. July is a super, well, it's still June. Is it still June? It's technically still June, but June/July is a super busy month for me, and it sucks because I don't know how much attention I'm gonna be able to give the RX-7, but it's all good. I'm gonna just try and slowly work away at it, I guess, if I can, and see if I can at least make a little bit of progress in July. I don't know if I will film it just because it will be so slow. But yeah, if you guys want to follow along, I'll post on my social media way more, so go follow me at Metigulous on Instagram. I post on there a lot on my stories and all kinds of stuff, so if there is gonna be any little bit of progress, it'll be posted there, and you can stay up to date on it. I did just finish up figuring out exactly all the stuff I needed for my Steamport stuff, because I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I just have this little ghetto piece kind of on there right now. I got some fittings ordered and I kind of figured out what dash 4 bends and stuff I need. So I will be running Steamport vents all the way on the back as well instead of blocking those. Probably better safe than sorry, right? So I got that figured out. Got a little bit of fab stuff and whatnot to do. I'm not gonna worry about it. Been super busy just living, working, and trying to take care of myself. So I know you guys understand and I appreciate that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. I want to show you guys this S2000 I just finished up. The customer is almost here. He's about to pick it up. I did a little courtesy wash for it just because like this white or this paint, I don't know what it is. There's something weird about this paint, but it like, I don't know if you've ever like had paint where it doesn't seem like it was painted right. Like all the dirt like sticks to it, and then when you go to clean it off, it just like smudges instead of wiping off. It's weird. I don't know. The clear or something's messed up on it, but I cleaned it. It came out really good. I really like these things in the white with the carbon fiber top. Got the parachute all done up, looking real good. And then got the cage done, of course. I'm not really sure what he's gonna do for door panels. They do like shut if you shut them really hard, but this one like pops open real hard. So I also did the seat mounts. Might be hard to see, but I did some 1-inch piece of chromoly with some 3x3 tabs welded into the body, and then 4 mounts down here, and then a solid one in the back there. But yeah, check it out. Let's probably grab a light. There we go, that's a little bit better. So check it all out. All these bars fit nice and tight. This side has a little bit of a gap here, but the driver's side is super tight. I like making these down bars all one piece like this off the main hoop. Makes them super nice. Did some boxes down there to get them up off the floor. Main hoop is all nice in there. Got the back bars with the nice diagonal brace. Pretty excited to see how the customer likes it. I've been sending him pictures and he's been pretty happy. Not sure about that parachute handle, but it works good. Just thought I'd show you guys this.